How to view all saved Wi-Fi networks in Xiaomi and delete them if necessary. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now to change or view all the saved Wi-Fi networks, all you have to do is go to the settings of your device and then tap on the Wi-Fi networks over here. So here you can see the Wi-Fi option, tap on it, and as you tap on that you'll be able to see the connected network. Now if you want to see the networks over here, all you have to do is tap on Wi-Fi assistant, or you can just scroll down and tap on the networks over here. So tap on additional settings and here you can see the manage saved networks. So you'll be able to see all the Wi-Fi networks that you have saved earlier. Now if you want to delete any of them, all you have to do is tap on the delete option that is available beside the Wi-Fi connection. So just tap on it and tap on delete, then tap on forget network, and there you go. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.